guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's get into it. So these are the nails that I'm going to be showing you how to do. So for these nails, I just did a clear look with rhinestones all over. I was doing another video before this, but I was trying something new and it just wasn't coming out right, so I just ended with this one. So here I'm just filing the back because these are press-on nails. So I'm filing the back so it won't be so bulky near the cuticle and it looks more natural. But I had this footage in my computer for about a week. I wasn't sure whether I should post it or not, but here I am posting it anyway. It's clearly not my best work, but I just didn't want this footage to go to waste, so here I am posting it. And as you can see in my thumbnail on my right hand, that isn't dirt under my nail, y'all. That is blue pigment powder that I was gonna use for the video before this, but it wasn't turning out right, so I just did it. I changed the look, and I will be using the pigment powder in future videos, so please stay tuned. Everything in this video is pretty self-explanatory. You just watch me do it. I don't want to keep coming in and out explaining what I'm doing because obviously you see it. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch it until the end. And look at me coming back when I clearly just said I wasn't gonna come back and keep coming in and out. But I just wanted to say, when I said I was using the blue pigment powder, it got on the little things that I hold on the nail, as you can see through the nail. It was so messy. So yeah, I will be watching more videos on how to use pigment powder, and I will be doing them in future videos, so please stay tuned. Thank you for everyone who's been subscribing to my channel. Do not forget to like, it will really help me out a lot. And yeah, just watch the video. I feel like this nail look could have looked so much better if I put rhinestones and like glitter all over the whole nail instead of having a lot of space. But I was just so ready to get this over with. I just only did a few, and I put these on, and these are what the nails look like. And as always, if you have made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one.